It's not an engineer.
therapy.
It was devised by an engineer.
Oh, it's a device.
No, it's a tool. It's a technique. It's physical acupuncture on your meridians, different points of the body.
You're going to be putting needles in me now.
No, you actually tap on them with your fingers, so it's called the physical acupuncture.
I get a needle and I put it in and I go.
No. You use your fingers to stimulate the meridians. So the EFT is based on the principle that all negative emotion is the basis of a disruption in the body's energy system. So when you are tapping, you are getting the energy system back into function. Balance.
You know, I know you're really good at what you do, man, but it feels too technical for me. I don't know if I can
So
do
emotional freedom technique is basically a technique where you are free from what is happening.
But then I can just fly off my balcony and be free.
No, you are free from the emotions that are holding you, like the emotions of stress, the emotions of panic.
You think I'm holding on to my emotions?
Never mind. I give up.
Rangana is a tough client.
Rangana, that was too good.
You're like a way. So emotional freedom technique is a way to feel better.
Oh, I would like to feel better.
Yes.
What are the tapping points? No, that's not my question, is it? So how does it work? I clearly sent you all the wrong questions. Yeah. How does it work?
It works by using your fingers and tapping on different parts of your body.
Like this? Have I got it right?
Well, slowly, yes. So it's
I tap on my breast as well now. Different parts of my body.
They're just different points, and I'll show you those points.
Okay, what are the points? Show me. I'll do it with you.
So this is one, the eyebrow point.
No, I can't see it well. So I don't know. Like I can't see. So can you describe it to me? My eyes are not working so good.
Okay, let me send you a picture.
So, like, am I doing like this on the eyebrow?
Let me let me send you a picture, a diagram.
I can't see now. Oh my God. How am I going to see the picture?
I'm going to share it on the screen.
She can't see.
Okay. So you have a look at me. You see my eyebrow?
She can't see.
Okay, you can't see. Okay. So I want you to imagine, you know where your eyebrow is, right? Open your eyes.
You want me to imagine my eyebrow?
Can you get a mirror and see yourself?
I can't.
Okay, so do you know where your eyebrow is?
Yeah, do you want me to touch my eyebrow?
Yeah, touch where your eyebrow begins. Touch.
Yeah.
That.
Oh, it's a very good therapy. I just do this.
Just tap. No. Next to the eyebrow, just tap up.
Yeah, this one.
Your finger goes on and off that point.
On, off. On, off.
On, off.
Okay, very good. I'm getting this. Wow,
Yes.
this is very good, Sheetal ma'am. This is really helping me.
Yeah.
On, off.
Then you go to the side of the eye where the eyebrow ends. You
Side
feel
of
a
the
bone.
eye?
No, where there's a
Oh,
bone.
eyebrow ends. Okay, eyebrow ending here.
Yeah,
Okay,
go down there.
Yeah.
Do you feel a bone?
Yeah, there's a lot of bone here. Yeah.
Okay,
here.
so now again, on, off, tap there.
Is it in the dimple part here?
No, it's on the bone.
Oh, not in the temple here.
Yes.
Who
It's
taught you? They
closer
taught you
to the eyebrow.
here. Huh? On, off, on, off. Okay, then where do I go next?
Then you go under the eye. Yeah, and no, not so close to the eyelash, below the eyelid,
Okay.
in that little hollow area.
Hollow area.
Yeah, you're fine. You're doing
It's in the bulbous cheeky part.
Yeah, you're doing very well. Keep going. And then under your nose, above your lip, in the center.
Have
again,
I got it
on,
right?
off.
Is this correct?
Yes.
On, off, on, off.
But a little faster, like you're tapping something. A little slower, a little gentler. Yeah, not too fast, not too slow,
yeah,
just right.
Very good. Sheetal ma'am, very, very good. I'm feeling good already.
Then you go under the lip, your lower lip, where your chin is. No, under the lip. Under,
Where I have my hairs. Yeah, I got
No.
hairs here.
in the center of your chin. And then you tap there.
Yeah, okay. Tap there.
Then you go down your neck. Do you feel your collarbone?
Collarbone?
Yeah, it's
You mean when we break the chicken and have the wishbone like that?
no. It's like, below your neck, there's this bone running.
Oh,
It's
yeah, this,
called your clavicle also. It's a
this
collar.
one here. This one here.
Yes.
this
Do you
bone.
feel a bony feeling here?
Yeah,
Bony?
I can. Now?
So so I want you to go to the center where there's a little hollow between the bone. Do you feel the little gap?
Yeah,
in the
yeah, I can.
center? Yeah, so go down that gap.
No,
2
my
inches.
teacher told me it's not down the gap. It's over here. Down
No. You go down the gap 2 inches and move to the right and then tap there. Under
Move to the,
gap.
okay, thank you. Down the hollow. Ooh, I got
Move
it.
to
That's
the-
very
yeah,
good.
and tap there.
Feels very good.
Yeah. Then you go under your arm where your bra strap is and tap there.
Inside my bra strap.
No, on top.
Okay. I
And
have
tap.
to do like this underneath.
No, on
No,
top
okay.
of your clothes.
On top of my clothes. Okay. I think you got it. Sheetal was such an amazing sport. Can you send her so much love? So much love. I think you got it. Like if someone genuinely can't see, okay, then you have to really explain the points. You have to really explain where it is, the side of the hand, the handshake. And sometimes it takes a little time. And I think, Sheetal, you were so patient with me. It shows like the tremendous amount of patience you have because, I was being a naughty client. Now, I am happy.
You were so amazing, Rangana. It was amazing.
I'm happy to say that when I do this live in person, the clients are naughty like me. But you are all good clients with your practitioners and ask them very good questions. Like when I do this live in person, sometimes the practitioners give them a full session only.